Hello YouTube! So today we are taking a look at stuff. And first topic is power supply. The power supply in my gaming rig over there is upgraded to the AX1200, and the Corsair HX1000 is on RMA because of bad fan. They actually accepted the RMA, so I will probably get a new one. Old computer. I'm gonna repair this and trade it for something else, don't know what really. And I tested the two 500 gig drives in that computer and they test fine. And I have tested a few drives from the drive CAD is in here. Let's turn that off, we don't need light. So these drives that have been running for the server has obviously crashed since long before, and I did test all the drives, and as far as testing goes, only one showed up dead, so that's quite good actually. And the drive CAD is, I will RMA also, even that one that is running over there. That one has a bad SATA slot in it. These speakers that I did a video of is gonna go out for trading. So these will be traded for something. What? I don't know. Probably something. I don't know. If the right person needs them, I can give them away really. But I'm hoping for a nice trade. Let's see how the test goes on this drive. Well, this 250 gig drive seems to be handling just fine. Also, I have a Minecraft server running, but you need to ask for the IP if you want to join in. It's running from now and then, it's not really a thing. It's running when it's running, you know. So this drive tested fine also, a 250 gig drive. So what I will do is I will take these two drives, this 250 gig and the other one in the closet over there, and I will stick them into that computer over there. Then I will take the two 500 gigs and the 1.5 terabyte drive and stick them in the gaming rig over there, since I got a bigger power supply. And whilst on that topic, since I need to RMA and people that receive stuff are total dipshits here in Sweden and can't really understand the problem or don't want to understand the problem, I have taken a screen dump and taped it to the drive. So now they just need to look at that and see damaged. Yes, that probably will do for an RMA. I mean, this drive is, I mean, you could use the first terabyte or so of the drive up here, but the lower part is pretty much useless. So this drive is gonna go on RMA to net here in Sweden, and I will tell you how that goes. Same with the drive CAD is in the closet over there. Those will go also to net, since I bought this as a kit basically and put it together. And also it's quite a slow scanning speed over USB. I mean, this one is a little better, but not a whole lot. When I scanned internal drives in the HTPC over there, they scanned at 70 megabytes per second. That's quite reasonable for a 2.5 inch drive, I would say. And we are gonna dissect a broken SATA cable someday. I've always been wondering what really is inside of these flat cables, because these keep the shape quite well, so something is probably in them to make them keep the shape. So that will be our autopsy someday. I'm gonna cut that in half and see what it has in it. And I did fix another controller board like that for saddle drives, so I can transfer data from one drive to another. That's very good to have. And this unplugs like so, and then you can just take the drive and have the drive in the hand while you go into the closet and put the drive in the caddy. Now there are only good drives in here. In the lower slot the drive usually goes. So there, it's fixed. Drive is back in caddy. And yeah, need to find a sound card. We will need one sound card for this computer over here. That will need a sound card. I don't know if I do have a sound card, but I will sure look for one. Anyways, YouTube, that's on today's to-do list. Also, I do have memory. I don't know if I showed you these, but they're 512 megs, 256 sticks, two of them for the Voodoo 2 SLI machine over there. So those are gonna go in at some point. And yeah, things are getting done, but quite slowly, but they are still getting done, so yeah. Anyways, YouTube, please subscribe and take care, y'all.